Good morning, everyone. Just woke up and it's still cold outside. We're having breakfast first, and then I'm gonna think about what to do after that. Husband is making some breakfast. I'm making some omelette. Omelette. We had pizza last night for dinner. My potato is sprouting. I just don't know when I'm supposed to put them down. I don't know if they can survive during winter if I already put it in the soil. So I'll have to check when to plant them. We're hoarding all kinds of stuff. See, my daughter bought that in Spain, olive oil. I got the green tea in Japan. I used to like this wine. Then I got this coffee in the Philippines. And then my kids, they're junk. The wines are mine. I'm having my rice mushroom coffee, and I mixed it with regular coffee, with cappuccino, because I really don't like the taste of the mushroom coffee, but it's healthy, so just drinking it. Here's the omelet. Somebody's awake. We're gonna try this spread, blueberry spread, and husband this spread, orange. Let's eat, everyone. Oh my god, I cannot open it. Yun. I was gonna have some cereal, but I like the Trader Joe's milk that my daughter buy. They're tastier, so we're gonna go today and buy some milk and some other stuff probably. Yan. Now he's watching Showtime. That's our daily dose of entertainment also. Showtime. Can't live without. Anyway, let's eat some banana. See you later.